I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another trunk club to share with you. So I told my stylist that I needed some warmer weather type clothes, and I was mostly focusing on tops, and I always ask for embellished tops, you know, cute things that I can wear while I'm doing videos and stuff, you know, I mean, because like nobody sees my pants at all anymore, except for like my kids and my husband, but you know, and I've been doing a lot of Zoom stuff too, so not just YouTube videos. So I wanted some cute stuff, plus, you know, warmer weather. I needed some just, you know, wardrobe update type of thing. So let me show you what she sent me. This top right here is like this silky blush polka dot thing, and it's just, oh, it's so far from being anything I would ever wear. Plus, when I moved my arms like this, the tiny little snap in the front popped open, and I was like, no, that's awful. Okay. This one, at first I thought, oh, this is kind of cute, but then I put it on and I was like, okay, well, maybe if I was a teenager, this is just so, I mean, with the front that bunches up and shows off my mom belly, yeah, that's not what I need right now. It just, nope. This one, she's got a thing for like this peplum look. I think, I don't know why, but maybe peplum tops are super in right now. This one I do actually think is very cute. It's just too small on me. It was just too tight, and the waist is too high. And unless I was super into high-waisted pants or something, it doesn't go. Like the jeans that I tried this on with, like that just doesn't go. Like my jeans are too low, the waist on this is too high. I don't know what I would ever wear this with as far as my own wardrobe. Like I could see this looking super cute on somebody who digs high-waisted pants or high-waisted skirt or something. And I do love polka dots, and I like the color on this and everything. And I like the see-throughness. You know, I didn't even realize that the back was see-through until I went back and watched the footage. But it was just too small, and I think not something that I would bother getting it in a larger size. This top is fine. It's a black tank, and it does have the embellished lace on the front, but the shape of it is just, well, shapeless. And I didn't think that it was something, like this is the kind of thing that I feel like you would need to tuck in or something, but I just didn't like it enough. I didn't find it flattering. I don't like the wide shoulder tank look on me anyway. Like I have broad shoulders. I would like to minimize that effect. And then this skirt, I would never wear this. I mean, it's cute and I can see it on somebody else. Like I like pencil skirts, just not on me. I would never wear it. It was actually fairly comfortable, and it has pockets. So if this is your thing, I'll link it in the description box. But I'm never gonna wear that. I don't have an office job. It's not my style to wear out and about. This tank top is more of like an exercise tank, and the material of it is not a soft cotton. It's more of like that dry wick sort of a material, and it's fine. It's nothing super exciting, but it's fine. You know, I would work out in this, I suppose. I do wish that it was a little more shapely or more snug or something. One of the things that I've noticed, I don't like wearing loose fitting tops while I'm doing yoga because they always, you know, like fall over my head or bunch up. You know, while I'm running or something, that's fine. So I don't know, it's fine. It's just sort of boring. These pants are kind of cute. These are Moto leggings. And this is just like a general cottony legging material, but it has these patches of shiny material. It's not, at first I thought it was gonna be like faux leather, but it's not. It's more of like a shiny, almost coated bathing suit type of a material. And then it's got this one patch just under the knee of like the lacy bit. I didn't like the knee pit patch of shininess. I thought that looked a little bit weird. But other than that, I thought that they were cute, they were comfortable. I like the high waist leggings, you know, because it sucks in my mom belly, and I feel like it's helping make that area sweat more or something. I don't know. Plus they stay up better. A lot of leggings that are cut lower down on my waist tend to fall down, essentially, you know, and high-waisted leggings don't do that. So I'm on the fence about these. They're expensive, but I could see myself working out in these. I have a pair of the Spanx Moto leggings, and those ones are faux leather, and I love those, but they're not working out pants. Those are like my going out leggings. These ones I would feel more inclined to work out in. I don't don't know, I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence about these. And some 90s style running shorts. These are like a very thick sweatshirt material. They're super soft on the inside, but I wasn't expecting them to be that thick. And the waistband itself is very thick. Plus, it's just the world's most unflattering cut. Like, the front of them is longer than the back, and I don't understand why anybody would want that. They have pockets, but yeah, not for me. And then she sent me some shoes. Generally speaking, I don't like black shoes. Well, no, take that back, because I like black heels. I think I just don't like black flats. But I looked these up and they got really fantastic reviews. So, you know, I mean, you're working out, who cares if you're wearing black shoes? It's not that big of a deal. But trying them on, I felt like this part of the tongue is a little high, and I feel like if I were running in it, it might start to irritate the top of my foot right there, like right at the base of my ankle. And this part is high, but that doesn't bother me. It's soft and squishy. But this part I feel like could start to rub. They're pretty lightweight. And they fit nicely. They have kind of this stretchy, snug material, so it fits like a sock is what they say. And, you know, it's got nice cushiony soles. I mean, they are for running, which is nice. Despite the color, I think that these could be good shoes. They're originally $180, but they are on sale for like $140, but that's still really expensive. And I'm not sure if I want to spend $140 on shoes that I'm okay with. You know what I mean? So again, I'm a little bit on the fence about these because I do think that they're probably good quality shoes. And I've had my running shoes for about 1.5 years. I don't know how long running shoes are supposed to last, but you know, you should probably replace them fairly regularly. So these, I don't know, you guys. I honestly think I might just send everything back in this box. So was there anything that stood out to you that you think I should keep or that you would keep if it were your box? I mean, you know, obviously we're not all gonna have the same sense of fashion over here or the same body types. So, you know, I could see how some of this stuff could work for other people. I just didn't feel like any of it worked for me. But the good thing about Trunk Club is I can just send it all back and no big deal and ask for another trunk. Right? So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box if there was anything that you wanted to check out. I'm pretty sure everything in this box is on sale, which is awesome. So yeah, that was my trunk this month. I've had some really amazing trunks and some duds. You know, you win some, you lose some. I like my stylist. I think she has picked out some wonderful things for me. I just think that this particular box was not a winner for me. You know, no big deal. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!